Greetings, football fans, and welcome to Durban Network Sports Avenue, your home for South African football analysis, where we break down everything happening in the Betway Premiership and the Motsepe Foundation Championship. Today, we'll be discussing the latest results, including that of a Soweto Derby, league title, relegation battle, and the teams pushing for promotion. My name is Thokoza Sonjangas, and joining me in studio today is our football analyst, Ubongani. Fetu, welcome and thank you so much for your time.
Sabona manje siyaphila wathi.
Siyaphila njani?
Yeah, long time siyaphila.
Yes.
Sanibona emakhaya, sanibona indawo zonke bafethu. Thina laba. Abahlaziyi bebhola. Sila khona ekhayeni. Durban Network. Sicelana sichiphize lapha nisifollow konke ama social media.
Yes.
Sikhona Facebook, sikhona TikTok, sikhona kuyo yonke indawo nje. Yeah, nisilandele.
Everywhere you go, Sikon.
Yeah,
So there's just a lot happening in the Betway Premiership. Manje,
Yeah.
Especially lapha between Orlando Pirates and the Mamelodi Sundowns. Hey, akugijinywa. And sesinesikhathi sigcinile ukuyibona into enjengale. La iSundowns khona bephefumulela khona la kuyona emahlombe. Kahle yona ephefumula emva kweOrlando Pirates. Nokuyinto ekade sagcina ukuyibona.
Yeah.
So I think njengamanje banama points alingana to I think 44 points. Kune goal
Just the goal difference, yeah.
23 and 22.
Yeah.
19 games played. Yini ubona kanjani kwenzakalani lapha yana?
Asiqale laba fethu if uyakhumbula kahle la khona ekhaya ku Durban Network. I think around October, September we sike sashutha la sikhuluma I think it was October, end of October, whereby we were talking about Yoni Betway Premiership. And at that time as well, Orlando Pirates was doing very well. Sundowns were inenkinga zayo, Chiefs obvious. But then like I said that Pirates inayo coach. I said that Sundowns doesn't have a coach.
Yeah, idewasho ngiyakhumbula.
Yeah, and ngingasho ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have a coach. You know. Ngifuna sibuyele la kulombuzo wakho ukuthi ngibona njani iPirates neSundowns.
Yes.
Ngisamile lapho ukuthi iPirates they deserve to win the league. The way they play right now. It's a team to watch. Ngi understand ukuthi somehow the supporters banokumbono Odo njengomqeqesho ongathi ngeke azayiwina ileague.
Yeah.
Kodwa ke mina ngisamile ileague ngisayinikeza yena.
Pirates will win the league.
Will win the league.
Okay.
Based on how they play, based on communication fielding, based on the combination plays.
In other words, with league vele it's predictable.
Kumina.
Njengamanje.
But then the problem is that the Sundowns, they've won the league many times. So they've got the mentality. You know when you've done something many times.
Yeah. Experience counts.
The experience counts. I'll give you the players like Abo Mugwena. Mugwena has been there, you know. She knows how to do it. And if you remember first half of the season, Mugwena was kind of off form. He was not off form, in fact. I did say it first half of the season that I think the tactics from the coach, which is Ukados, are confusing the players most of the times, you know. Because if you remember, Mugwena was playing a little bit deep from the back, first half of the season. But Simboni Mugwena recently, last game, Mugwena was playing like as a 10. Mugwena was shooting. He scored a banger. I forgot the game, maybe the last game. He scored a banger. That's where he belongs. You can see his form right now.
You know, in a position yakhe.
Cardoso was benching Urenas for anyone, you know.
Bengalimala?
Walimala Urenas wabuya.
And ubuyile manje.
That's Urenas for you.
Ubuyile manje.
You cannot.
Yeah.
You cannot. Ulokuzana ucoach webafana Ujo Bros was Urenas. You remember?
I remember.
Going to AFCON.
Wathi bazobama subs.
You cannot. Urenas is a baller. Urenas uyakwazi ukuscore, uyalazi ibhola. So you cannot snap abadlali abafana noRenas. That guy is very, very talented. Out of the box, inside the box. You know, I said something last year in our home here, just to differentiate between inhlobo zama striker. We've got a box striker, just like this guy Kaizer Chiefs, the African guy, the tall one.
Flavio.
Yes, that guy is a box.
What is his name?
I forgot his name. You know,
Da Silva,
yes. Da Silva is a box striker. You know, she's that kind of a guy.
Cossy flavor.
He waits, yeah. You know, he's that kind of a striker who's gonna wait for the ball inside the box. He's very good inside the box. He's very good on the air, you know, like inside the box. Renas, he's good outside the box, inside the box, in all angles. You know, you put Renas would score from 11-ish side. who score from 10-ish side, who score from the box, who's anywhere.
What about Ngwanasis? Evidence Mahopa.
Makgopa is one of those guys. If you do you remember Kingston Cut?
Kingston Carter, that.
Yeah, Makgopa is that kind of a striker who's gonna hold the ball for you. You know, like I always say, if a police can take it from Makgopa, he can score a lot of goals from 10. One of them between Police and Mufogeng, he can score a lot of goals because Makgopa was you hold the ball. If you remember Stuart Baxter wanted one thing from Cut. If you can score, hold the ball for other players to score, you know, because unamandla, height yakuvuma, you understand? You won't always score, but then you're getting sure. So that's Makgopa. So Renase umuntu kanjalo. So iSundowns just in overall, for me, is not winning simply because they've got a coach. They are winning because they've got a mentality. They are winning because their players are back now. They've got experience. Yes. But Cardoso, for me, I still say he's not the right man for Sundowns. He won't take them to the next destination, which is a CAF and whatsoever. No, he won't. I mean it.
That's a
CAF, but he's not gonna win the CAF. Can I repeat that? He's not gonna win the CAF. You know, and to support this. You know when your team does well, you've got that confidence. But if you look at Sundowns supporters, 4 of them, because they're 4, right? Do you get it?
Yeah.
Sundowns have no supporters. They've got 4 supporters. 4 of them. So those 4 supporters, they don't have confidence on Cardoso themselves.
Also, see, I want to form managing. When you remember against Orlando Pirates, the stadium was packed. Fans and Sundowns.
Orlando Pirates packed the stadium.
Kanjani?
Awu, kahle nje.
Phela khona ama-fans eSundowns. Kanjani ama-fans eSundowns awu 54.
Imake iSundowns wait. iSundowns khona like eGolden Stadium idlala nenye team except iChiefs nePirates.
No.
Seyivala ke lenkulumo eSundowns. Kodwa nje ngisho uCardoso yena, he's not a good coach.
Okay. Asibuke lapha kwi-table kuma-standings ephethwe Premiership. 2 teams lapha phezulu and then 2 phansi. Then bese sibuka lapha kwi-top 8 currently. Kuhamba kanjani? Mawucabanga obani esiwabona ku-top 8 noma mhlawumbe sophinde sibe disappointed khona sobabona esilindele ukuthi sibabone but singababoni khona engasingalindele ukuthi sizobabona but sibabone. Ithini into lapha ngoba vele phela iligi isaqhubeka njengamanje.
Iligi isaqhubeka but iligi idlala ama team awu2.
16 teams.
No, 2 teams. Pirates and Sundowns. Those are the only teams that are competing. Those are the only teams that are playing football. Those are the only teams that are playing proper football in the Betway Premiership. Anyone else uyaphuquza nje lapha. Ngizokwenza isibonelo. Chiefs ngaba out of the top 8. Can still be out of the top 8. You know, it's possible. The way we are playing. Let's take it back to Soweto Derby. Soweto Derby, I think that was 134. So 134. I'm just
Richard Spade tunuka abantu now uzotunuka abantu kanti isithonda sesiyaphola.
Ngifuna ukwenza nje isibonelo mina ngikubonisa ukuthi iChiefs esengaphuma ku-top 8 and ayikho into edlala iChiefs. Mina akangifihli iChiefs mina ngiyikhosi elikhulu kodwa nje into mayengekho mina ayikho. Yebo, kubhungana kayi1. Soweto Derby, it's one of...
What's Chiefs? I can tell you Chiefs. No, but Chiefs is it's him, Chiefs, right?
It's a brand.
And no, it's Chiefs, it's him. In my players, in a code, yini into shotayo ku Chiefs. Tell me, when a Kosi fan.
Angiqale la qala. Chiefs, I still maintain my words. Chiefs is the biggest brand in Africa. We're talking about brand. Chiefs is the biggest brand in South Africa. Recently. Chiefs is playing
in South Africa or Africa?
In Africa. You can talk about it. You can talk about
no, umbuzo kale.
Yakenza
Africa. Bathi yakenzani Africa.
Yazi into engihlekisa yini? Into engihlekisa iChiefs ayikazenza yena ukuthi Africa uzosho kanjalo ngithi. But every time when there's a legend that comes from Africa, visit South Africa, they talk about Kaizer Chiefs. They visit the village, our village. When there's a proper team like Al Ahly and other teams, they come to play in South Africa for a CAF. The only facilities that they approach
the village.
The village. Why? Because they know we're the biggest brand in Africa. Remember in 2019 We're the only in Africa, no, in South Africa, in fact. Let me just say South Africa. In 2019, our jersey was voted as the number 1 in the world. Do you still remember that? Our jersey was voted the best in the world. Our jersey. That's the biggest brand. Right?
In Africa.
Recently, in manje, i-Chiefs njengamanje offer mangithi idlala into idlalayo. Of which ngizoku-analyze la yona. Idlala into idlalayo. Kodwa in a couple of weeks, I think 2 weeks back or 3 weeks back, we signed the sponsor in front of everyone. Carling Black Label is our sponsor now. They are sponsoring us. Shout out to Jessica Mutaung. Shout out to you.
She's working extremely hard.
Like when you see women doing beautiful things, like guys, we must give them credit.
Yeah, mhlambe Phungane ngibuze, there's a very recent interview Kaizer Junior with Robert Marawa, whereby Robert Marawa played a clip from a Kaizer Chiefs fan complaina ngokuthi i-management ayinandaba nabo as abalandeli be-Chiefs yenza ekuthandayo ayizizwe inhlungu abazizwa ngoba bona badla kahle, they are getting sponsors left and right okwenza i-empire yabo ikhule even financially. To a surprise, uBob, I mean uJunior couldn't even give an answer after ngoba uRobert uthe akacomment kulento eshiwo yilo muntu wa umuntu nje ongena ofana nothi ana comment. Kuniphatha kanjani as abantu becase ukuthi ipain ihlezi lenda kunina and abanandaba labantu abaniphethe?
Mina oqala nje, I just want to give credit to Robert Marawa, one of the best anchors in South Africa. Shout out my brother. Secondly, it's not the first time. If you remember previously, uBobby was in Robert Marawa as well. Kulawa wagcina sithi khona i-Chiefs. It's a family business, if you remember. Yeah, yaba nomqhatha nabalandeli. Ngempela i-question yaba nomqhatha nabalandeli ngempela lento le, because yabona nje izinto enjalo ngeke uzisho, because mina ke ngumuntu oyilalela kakhulu MSW, which is ishow kaMarawa. So ngangilalela umlaleli, I think it took about a minute asking the one and the same question. Ulokuzana uKaizer Motaung Jr. was very emotional, you know. He was very emotional because that guy was stating facts, you know, he was very emotional. He couldn't even answer the question properly, you know. And I think it comes from, I think the emotions they're coming from the zone of uyalazi iqiniso bayabona. This is what I said. Iqiniso ukuthi njengamanje i-management eKaizer Chiefs iyasifela. That's number 1. Isifela kanjani? They don't abafuna ukusort out inkinga ekhona eKaizer Chiefs. There are problems in Kaizer Chiefs. Number 1, baqoshwe nabi. For me, that was not a bad idea, but the timing maybe it was wrong. Okay, so umxoshelo nabi. Ubashela nabafana bawuju. The interim coaches.
Yeah.
Because for me, they are not coaches. They are not even interim coaches. They don't qualify to coach Kaizer Chiefs.
They are interpreters. They're
interpreters. You know, for me, you know. And the advice that I gave to Kaizer Chiefs in October, November was, we are going to an AFCON right now. Why don't you hire Pitso? You combine all those salaries, because there are salaries from interim, blah, 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 all in Nabi, and then you offer Pitso. 5 meter, 4.5 meter, you sit down with Pitso. You present your financial statement and whatsoever. You present your plan, proper plan, because Pitso, he wants a proper plan, you know. Yeah. He's not that kind of a coach that you can call and say, look, coach this team and aggressive. No. You want to see like what's your plan for the future and whatsoever, you know, because he's proper. So if they did that, they had a month to solve that problem, the coaching problem. Chiefs would be sitting at number 1 in the league right now. The confidence from the players would be back right now. There will be a competition between Chiefs, Pirates, and Sundowns, of which ngiyacabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu eSouth Africa befisa ukubona lento le. Because right now there's no confidence from those. I'll give you facts in a minute. There's no confidence from those players. There are a lot of lies around the players, injuries and whatsoever. That's what I believe. No combination plays nothing. You watch Chiefs as if you're watching a team from less than Motsepe League and whatsoever, you know. That's not the status of Kaizer Chiefs. I'll give you a quote on Soweto Derby. I'll give you just maybe 30 minutes what happened in Soweto Derby, just to expose what happened. Chiefs started the game very slow. I think the game plan was to sit and attack from the back, you know, which is counter-attack. Chiefs, I think that was their game plan.
Low block.
I think that was the game plan. You do a low block from Orlando Pirates. Okay, Upavuma and Miguel, they nearly conceded a goal, you know, on the ninth minute. Kwaba khona lack of communication. Remember, Upavuma haven't played for how many? For a couple of months, many months. He came and played Soweto Derby. How do you allow that to happen?
But beyikhona enye option.
Nikeza umfana lo khona.
Twari.
Yes, because Upavuma uyawazi amaphutha wakhe. You know Pavuma is not even with Pizzo. Even if Pizzo were to be given a chance to coach Kaizer Chiefs, he would release Pavuma same time. You know? They nearly considered a goal in the 9th minute. There was a lack of communication between Pavuma and Miguel, you know. The game continued. Paris was all over the place. Tina, as he looks at. In the first 15 minutes, there was never goal on target for Kaizer Chiefs against Paris. What is that? Is that Kaizer Chiefs that you want to watch?
Ngicela ukuphawula lapho usaselapha kubavuma.
There's a question.
Uzokhumbula ukuthi niphinde nadlala igame elandelele yePirates. Angazi noma uyibonile yini iperformance yakho ukuthi ibitop kangakanani. Angazi whether uyakubeka yini emqondweni ukuthi kuthiwa akawenzanga lawa ama save ngabe niluze ngescore esingakanani kwiRichards Bay. So mhlawumbe uyibuka yini ukuthi it was a stage fright again nokuthi kade agcina ukuthola igame time.
Ngizokuphendula lapha.
About lapha ngabe ithole about 5 goals.
Ngizomphendula ngifuna uqhubeka la.
6 goals, 4 goals.
I've got your question, ngifuna uqhubeka la. So Orlando Pirates was all over the place kuthina. Best exposure. The combination kaMufugeng, Police, no Moremi. That was the best combination that I've seen in South Africa in recent years. The pace, ball positioning, indlela abaphasa ngayo abafana. I was so impressed. The composure. You remember during the week I shot a video just on social media. I shot a video. In that video, what I was saying was, every time when a police has the ball, I want one thing from him. When you approach 18 area, slow down. Because remember, Orlando Pirates is playing about 120 kilometers per hour. Like their tempo is very up. You know, the tempo for Orlando Pirates is there. So like when you reach like 18 area, slow down. Ikhanda lakho alibheke phezulu buka abadlali uzothola ipass. But in recent times apolice uvela sana afuna ukurush iball. But kuleya game yeChiefs he did exactly that. Another thing that I said is I had a problem with the combination of Unamtajela no Makaula. Because both of them when they are playing together they both want to be supers, and then whoever is playing 10 and 8 then has to come and collect the ball deeper. Whereas uMakaula medla noMbatha is very clever. Mbatha is very brilliant.
Very intelligent.
Uyakwazi ukwenza number 8 adlale. Attack. Uyakwazi number 8 to attack freely. Makhona Mbatha. Uyakwazi 10 to attack freely. Uyakwazi 10 ulithola iball.
So you prefer the combination of Makhetleni Makaula and Talent Mbatha?
Let's go the Soweto Derby.
Okay.
You saw it. The tempo of the game. They were winning all the balls, second balls and everything.
Manje mawucabanga okay, it was iscore sathi 3-0 in favor of Orlando Pirates. So khona ama key players ePirates abengekho nidlala iSoweto Derby. Bebengekho Ombule. Ucabanga ukuthi bekuthiwa khona sipho Ombule akuzokwenzakalani?
Ngifuna uzalana ke. Manje njengoba ngikhuluma ngoPavuma, the question is, uPavuma second game after that uyaperform. Bambone perform. The fact is, when you are not a quality for that team, you're not a quality for that team. Yes, ungenze kuperform uthini, but we're talking about long term here, we're talking about the future. We're talking about consistency here. We're not talking about one game. We're not talking about small games. Ku-Chiefs awungumdlali odlala ama-games amancane uRichards Bay. Dlala nePirates, dlala neSundowns, show us. Dlala a team that is on form on that time, and then man up. You know, show up. Usibonise ukuthi ungenzani. uPavuma udlala neRichards Bay wenza lento ayenzayo. Kuthiwa hayi uPavuma ifebe bengekho. Then umsebenzi wakhe yini? Umsebenzi wakhe uvimba amagoli angethi wenza umsebenzi wakhe. Then there's no credit that we're going to give to Pavuma. Esihlise ngo-3-0 esihumiliated. Akokudlula kuhumiliate esihumiliated in the previous game going on the Pirates. Tetele goal namanje angithi ungenile usidlo 1-0 iRichards Bay. That's a goal.
Kambe kuleya derby, the previous derby, I think it was last year, la uTito khona wayekola khona ePanenka. Kanti kambona wayevimbile lapho?
Engupavuma. Yeah, I think it was Pavuma, yeah. Because Peters uqale uvimba this season, if I remember well. And Peters was doing very well, you know. he's been consistent. I don't know.
Cool,
He's
yeah.
been doing very, very
Yeah,
well.
he's good.
And I even raised that if I was Hughes Bros, I would call Peter. Yeah, so yeah, he's one of those guys that are doing very well. You know. Yeah, so Orlando Pirates and Sundowns, they're the only two teams that are playing proper football. They're the only teams that you can watch in South Africa.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, njengamanje, looking at the bottom of the table, khona lapha uMagesi, I'm not sure noma khona nemaroom somewhere noma yini, but i-cheaper is no longer there. Uyakhumbula ukuthi ke kwaba nomsindo bese abantu ayihamba i-cheaper ngathi i-cheaper ayindawo.
Nami ngangifuna ihambe
Abantu iyahamba i-cheaper ayindawo i-cheaper. Nithini ke manje? Ayi-cheaper ayindawo i-cheaper.
I-cheaper
Next
ayindawo.
season sobe sine-cheaper.
Isenzani? Izobe khona isenzani.
Izobe khona kodwa kwi-Betway.
But the fact is, they are not ambitious, you know. You look at the teams as fana noSekhukhune. I-teams ezifike i-cheap ikhona. La kwi-Betway. You look at the team as fana noMarumo Gallants.
Yeah.
Those teams are ambitious. You've seen them playing finals. You've seen cheaper is there to add numbers, you know.
Yeah.
The only thing that they specialize in is to fire coaches, change coaches, like as if you change it, like every you know,
Yeah.
every month, you know.
Okay.
So for me, ukuba khona we-cheaper kumina, that doesn't like
Akusho
akusho lutho kwi-league yethu, because i-value ye-league yethu cheaper add value kwi-league yethu, you know.
Okay. So asibuyele kancane lapha emuva kancane nje ukuba indabeni ye-Soweto Derby. Ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi okay kuba i-Soweto Derby ne-Nedbank Cup. Ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi i-Kazrick is better than Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes. In many ways, because
Ngisho ngoba i-Kazrick ikibe Pirates kwi-Nedbank Cup.
yes.
I-Chiefs lost to Orlando Pirates 3-0 ku-Soweto
Yes.
Derby. So ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi i-Kazrick is better than Chiefs. I-Kazrick kwazi ukuthatha i-Pirates baze baye nayo ku-extra time kwi-cup game. Orlando Pirates ke win i-Nedbank Cup ikhathi zaningi back to back, but sezokhishwa i-team edlala kwi-Motsepe Foundation Championship.
Mina oqala nje uphendula umbuzo wakho, i-Kazrick know that is better than Kaizer Chiefs, but it was better than Kaizer Chiefs in that game when they played against Orlando Pirates in many ways, because one thing that they did very well, Kazrick, was to understand that the Pirates idlala ngeyiphi tempo. Let's match their tempo.
Bayenzile homework.
Yes.
Bayenzile homework.
One thing that you have to do, let's match their tempo. Number 2, don't allow them any ball inside their box. Compete with them. Ibhola ibeke phansi na udlala njengabo. Yebo tengisho. Of which mina coach on the Pirates in that game, I think he failed on the Pirates. How? One thing that you must understand, the team that are playing in Motsepe League in the second division.
Bayakubuka nobabuki kakhulu. No, okay, well,
That's number one. That's number one.
Kodwa bona bakubuka kakhulu.
Number 2, ngeke uzocompete ne-tempo yabo. Bane energy. Indlela abadlala ngayo natural yana.
Yeah.
When you need to be tactical minded, that's all.
Ish.
Beat them with tactics. So Orlando Pirates wanted to play their game. No, change the game. Yes. You know, it's a cup game. It's not a league. You know, change the game, change the tempo of the game, change the tactics. You know, okay, bane run, but Tina, we are a very professional big team. You know, let's change 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
You know, let's play this way and that way and that way. Then uzokwazi ubashaya. But manje mawuzofuna ukucompete nabo like in every position, then you're not gonna make it because they will drag you up to the penalties.
Yeah.
You know, penalties is a lot. I said that previously that I was quoting Coach Pizza to say that winning the cup doesn't mean that you're the best coach, but winning the league, it proves that because you know like penalties are a lot. Team yakwazi ukudraga kwi-cup up until penalties and then they win.
Fike win.
Then that's what Cedric did, and they did.
Uyakwazi kuba ngaphezulu egamini.
Yes.
Once nafika ama penalties bakuhle.
They can. It's possible because I heard the guy explaining ukuthi awavimba njani ama penalties. You know, the goalkeeper of Cedric, and why explain, and you can see that the guy did his homework, and yeah, well done to Cedric. You know.
Okay, sisendabeni ye-Nedbank Cup. Mocabanga ubani ozose-Nedbank?
Mina amaqembu aseKZN awu-3 lapha.
Oyedwa wakhe.
Awu-3 so.
Kamba sinani sine Milford, AmaZulu, Golden Arrows.
Golden Arrows, yeah. Then kube isikhukhune yale.
Sikhukhune yale, yeah.
Isikhukhune for me, when it comes to quality, Isikhukhune for me, they stand a chance. So, but obviously,
KZN, come on, KZN.
KZN namaqembu awu-3. I won't lie, I said it before that Coach Manqoba is doing a very good job with Arrows, abafana abancane.
Yeah.
We can mention abafana noNdlovu. You can see every time, for example, I'll give you a match between whenever Arrows plays against the Pirates, plays against Sundowns. That's when you see that they've got quality. You know, they compete You know, they compete with them. So we've seen so like he's doing a very good job. So now he's stand a chance to win. But then it's a cup. You know, a cup you can just drag a team up until penalties and you win. And then, but then like football wise, I gave it to Sikhukhune or Golden Arrows.
Okay, so Masbheka asks sokhuluma ngeCasric because iCasric isikhombisile ukuthi ikhona and ifikile, right now I think baku position 4 kwilokhuzana kwi-league yabo.
Number 1
Milford number 1.
Yeah.
I think number 2 is Kruger United. I think it's Milford with 36 points if I'm not mistaken. Kruger United with 36 points again. Cape Town City, Casric Stars and Hungry Lions. Top 5. Yeah. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi lapha kusazoba kuningi sazophila futhi sibone enye yama KZN teams next season kubethwe iPremiership promoter.
It's possible.
Yabona Milford mayingayibamba la.
It's possible.
La yibambe khona.
Yeah.
Sizoyibona kubethwe iPremiership.
Badlala kahle kakhulu and uyakhumbula kusasa bazobedlala Nedbank angithi neSikhukhune.
I guess.
Yeah.
So and kunento ethi uma ngenzeka ke iMilford yethu bakithi KZN ishelele.
Yes.
Yazi ukuthi lama team angemuva kwayo 3 awekho kude kakhulu because I think iCasric 34 points.
Bashana ngo 2
35,
points.
36, 2 points. 2 points.
Milford, which is egu 5, right? Pushing 5, right?
Number 1.
Cedric.
iCasric it's number 4.
Number 4. Bashana 2 points in Milford, which is number 1. So if you look at that, noba ubani wenza iphutha between those 4 teams, then mathematically you might be out. You know? So they need to stay focused.
Oh, Milford, please.
Yeah, they need to stay focused and then
sifuna ukunibona kwi-Betway Premiership next season. Sifuna ukunisupport siyi-KZN. Bafana, jonani khona. Jonani kubona. Gibelani kubona.
And remember the best way to win games is to make sure that you don't lose home games. And then away games you try to win but not to concede any goal.
Not to concede any goal, yes.
Yeah. Try to win but not to concede. But home games must be 3 points then. Yeah, you're determined. And ukhumbule ukuthi Cape Town City ne-experience yakaPSL, right? Khona laphana. Bangayithathi kancane ukuthi pushing 3. Anything can happen.
Anything can happen.
Shame. But yeah, we are praying for a team like KZN to promote automatically, you know. And then another KZN team, he yodlala playoffs and then maybe
kuzolunga kanjalo. Yeah. So iningi indaba igxilile kwiCasric, but iCasric yenza umlando. Yayokhipha i-team ebengalindelele ukuthi kasheshe iphume kuNedbank and ikhishwe i-team njengeCasric ekaphansi, yabo. Njengamanje ba under pressure. Fanele badlalela ukuthi sifuna ukuthi size kwi-Betway Premiership.
Yes.
Bafuna ukulela ukuthi bapromote. On the other hand, bafuna babheka ukuthi win le Nedbank Cup sihambe siyodlala CAF Confederations Cup.
Yes.
Ngoba phela ama-defending champions asheshe aphondo bangabesa kwakho siba defend.
Yes.
So ngabe yona opportunity yini le noma mhlawumbe ikuphi la kufanele ba focus khona kakhulu ukuthi sibabone ba promote sibabone ku-Betway Premiership noma mhlawumbe i-focus yabo igxile kakhulu lapha ya kwi-continental football nanokuthi kuma begxile kakhulu le ngaphandle kudlala eAfrica bazolast isikhathi esingakanani compared to i-Betway Premiership.
They need to be ambitious, you know. Now that badlalile sebe ku-Nedbank kuma semi-finals ngidla.
Yeah, bafikile.
Yeah, njengoba sebela bakhona ku-Nedbank and bala bakhona ku-league, which is the second division. They need to stay focused. They need both of them, you know. Why am I saying that? I'm saying that simply because if they can win in Nedbank, financially they'll be fine. That's number 1.
Yeah.
As a team. Number 2, that's legacy, you know.
Yeah, that's.
Number 3, or some of their players might get an exposure, you know, from teams as Soweto. Sundowns as well is looking for a lot of players, so it's a lot, you know. They must give themselves, you know. They must stay ambitious and stay focused. And also remember, if you are promoted to EPSL, you've got a chance. You go to if they were earning maybe 8,000, and then their salaries will also increase as well.
A bit, yeah.
Because now we're in PSL, you know, you're professional now.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's one of those things, man. You know, they just need to stay focused. You know, they need everything. Let me just put it like that. They need everything. But obviously, the coach right now has to be very calculative. You know, always try to avoid to play extra times and whatsoever. Yeah. So the players can rest and whatsoever, because the recovery is not easy.
It's not easy.
Yeah, so they need to be calculative, you know. Yeah, score at least 1 and 2 goals and you manage the game there and there. You know, yeah. You consult also the big coaches. You know, you've got the likes of Pito. people who can give you advice on how to do these things.
Yeah.
You know, just remain humble and you know.
Okay. So masibuyela lapha kancane kwi-Betway Prem futhi masibheka lapha kwi-Sundowns, Pirates, Chiefs, maybe Sikhukhune and mhlawumbe namanye ama-team la khona Hugo Bruce, ucoach Hugo Bruce ajwayele khona iso lakhe ukugxila kakhulu kulona when selecting players mhlawumbe azodlala ku-AFCON, mhlawumbe azodlala i-World Cup. Right now we are heading to i-World Cup. So iyiphi i-consistency mhlawumbe oyibona ukuthi o-coach faneke bayenze mhlawumbe ukuthi mhlawumbe to avoid injuries ukuthi maybe lo mdlalo ujwayele ukubizwa noma mhlawumbe lo ujwayele ukubizwa kumele bakuconsiderishe naloko coach ukuthi othi ngi-avoid ukumdlalisa kakhulu, othi ngingamdlalisi kakhulu noma mhlawumbe no vele ziyalimaza etsheni noma lokho sokubona after i-selection ye-squad beka consider after i-selection ye-squad ngoba phela vele this is i-World Cup. I-World Cup lena guys.
Yeah, it's a World Cup, but then remember that you are contracted with Orlando Pirates, for example. Let me just make an example. You're contracted with Orlando Pirates, and Orlando Pirates, it's an ambitious team, you know, it's a big team. They need to win the league. And then manje kuzokuhlalisa phansi ngenxa ukuthi wena fanele World Cup, it doesn't make sense.
That's why
and remember,
noma kumele considerishe after sebonakalile ukuthi ubani abahambayo.
Yeah, after because the fact is you're not sure whether Bros is going to call this guy that you're trying to manage and whatsoever. So the focus now should be on a club level for now, you know. Then anything else will be seen by Hugo Bros, of which you'll remember that Hugo Bros is not the kind of a guy who's gonna look. He doesn't look at the form and whatsoever. No. He looks at a lot of things. You know, he's a very loyal guy. Number one, he's very loyal. If Hugo Bros will be zero last time, you still have a chance to be called again. You know, as long as you're still playing well. You know. So nje, I can give you for example, with Paris about the showing up. Police is going to the World Cup. If there are no injuries to all those players, Police is going to the World Cup. Okay.
Sipho
Touching another issue, but we'll go there. Police is going to the World Cup. Let's freeze Mbule. Police. Moremi.
Makgopa.
Rele Mofokeng. This guy that's playing at the back.
Chabatane.
The other guy.
Sibisi.
Loboza kakhulu Sibisi. Ubani omunye kambe? Uchayini.
Sipho Chain.
Yes, those guys are guaranteed. Ku-Sundowns, I can give you goalkeeper.
What about Talent Mbata?
Talent Mbata.
You just said Talent Mbata.
Talent Mbata. I forgot about him. Yeah, Talent Mbata as well.
Yes.
Because Pros likes him so much, you know. And if you remember, even if Ukosho Pirates is Talent Mbata, but Pros would still call him. And Talent Mbata would still perform. Yeah. That's what I like about that guy, you know. He's very, very talented. I love him so much. And also Sundowns, abantu abafana Mokwena Reyners, no Pros, banama issues I don't know. He doesn't like Reyners that much, you know. He prefers Makgopa, he prefers that guy that plays for.
And lento yokuselect umdlali ukuthi uyamthanda yini.
He prefers
noma iya ukuthi i-performance yakhe noma udlala kanjani.
Who's this guy odlala kwi-EPL? Yasibona striker lesi ulokuzwa. Foster, he prefers Foster, you know, over Reyners. I'll play Reyners over everyone, you know.
Yeah.
Over everyone. So Hugo Bros is that kind of a guy, you know, like he's very loyal. And then maybe you can add just you guys, but he'll stick with those guys, you know. And then there's an issue, Sipho Mbule. What's going on with Sipho Mbule in the Pirates? I don't know, but it's really frustrating because remember Sipho Mbule was doing very well with Pirates and he was one of the favorites coach with Pirates, you know. But asimbonanga usoto derby and asimboni ngisho na kuma reserve. We don't see him.
Akana injury.
Statement because one? No.
I'm just asking.
No, I'm just saying there's no statement. So, what's going on? But then whatever that is going on, it's killing his talent, you know. It's killing his talent because remember he's a talented guy. Very and talented, remember, my belief is that him moving to Pirates was the best second chance of his life. So now, all of this, I feel like it's going to drain somehow. Because remember, these things, they happen with the players of Fana Saleng, you remember?
Yeah.
And the Orlando Pirates now I to yeah, tell assist, yeah. He's very talented, you know. So like Sugar Sipho Mbule, it's really frustrating, you know. Yeah, and not just for Orlando Pirates fans, even for Bafana career. So it's whatever that is happening there, it needs to be investigated and but still because Tina Pella so ikandela But ngisho. So
Right. Let's hear from team yethu behind the scenes. Mhlawumbe akukho yena onovo noma mhlawumbe ayekho yena ofuna ukuza okusho umbuzo noma usho ukuthile.
Mina engifuna nje ukukubuza mhlawumbe Bhungane abalandeli be Orlando Pirates ba complain kakhulu ngocoach bebe no 2 games in hand ade benawo kumele ba capitalize but bagcine bewaluza lawo ma game bakhaliswa ukuthi ucoach wePirates unalento ekuthiwa ifavoritism uthanda kakhulu uMasindi Nemtatshela agcine emfaka engabe ufaka umbatha abakholela ukuthi he's more creative and intelligent understand the system yePirates kakhulu eswini and uyajela kahle no Mahawula mhlawumbe lithini uvo lwakho lapho
uvo lwami lana lume kulete kade ngisho ngeke ngayisho lento ngeke ngayisho ngaphambili naphathi nesonto ngeke ngayisho lento mina cause ngasheshe ngayibona as an analyst the combination iphutha la coach wePirates alenzile is to believe that a combination kaNamtatshela no Makhawula can work. Namtatshela is a good player. I won't take it away from him, but the combination between those two guys, they don't understand each other. And Namtatshela is not that brilliant more than the other guys when it comes to competition, when it comes to winning, you know. I spoke about Umbata. Umbata is very intelligent. So I think iphutha lika coach wePirates libe lapho. Mhlambe if ebengathatha Umbata amdlalisa noNtamtatshela because uNtamtatshela emedlala no Makhawula bayenda babo2 sebe ngama Super Bowl 2 and then now whoever is playing 8 and 10 they end up dropping and then now it's hard for Orlando Pirates to generate that ball khona ukuze yofika to the last man and then the last man which is a striker end up being solo and then the back line from the opposition team now they are able to form the line, you know, but befika sebabalindele ukuthi okay no of which iPirates indlela edlala ngayo i-transition yakhona is very quick. You know, you need a brilliant player like Umbata. Umbata is able to say to number 8 and number 10, don't come here. You know, don't drop deep. Sit there. I'll bring the ball to you. I'll make a plan. He does that very well. Umakhawula when he sweeps behind Umbata, he does a very good job. But you know, Namtatshela medlala no Makhawula, you'll find them on the same line if you draw a line. You'll find that these guys are both sweeping right now. These guys are they both want to attack. They are confusing each other. I think that's where Coach Paris ayithole khona wrong. Hence abalandeli bePirates bagcine sebethi manje udlalisa imarumo galante
idlala. Imarumo le akusimarumo
le Pirates. Yeah, I think that's where the confusion started. And also Coach Pirates, another thing I get it wrong. You cannot have the tempo of the game from the back to the finish line. No, never. You know, the tempo of the game can go, but at a certain spot. Good ground, the tempo has to change. Now the focus has to change to say, okay, now we're going to pass the ball. How do we pass the ball? How do you look at, because if you remember what was happening is prior to Soweto Derby, what was happening is you'll find the ball una pace yakhe ayinikwa police is still running. You know, you how can you run 18 area of the opposition team? Because now that's where you have to shoot. That's where you have to find a pass, you know, like the tempo has to drop, you know, but they were still using it. That is why the opposition team were winning second balls to beat Orlando Pirates. That's where secondly, Coach Orlando Pirates. But then coming to Soweto Derby, Simbonile Eshinja combination, which is wakhona Umbata. Sayibona tempo of the game, police tempo lenza ngathi washinja konke lokho. But so in terms of ukisho ukuthi, hence I would say Coach Orlando Pirates is brilliant. Obviously, I'm a genius of Pep Guardiola, they make mistakes, you know. He made a mistake and I think we corrected it because sikubonile lo.
Omunye umbuzo la weBhungane. Ngicabanga ukuthi out of isikhathi osowajwayela nje ngasi ibhola uzokhumbula ukuthi ama-team amaningi awina i-league, ama-team ahleze consistency nge-first line-up yawo. Sikuzwile ukuthi i-Pirates uyabheja ufaka imali yakho kuyona ukuthi izoyiwina i-league. Umbuzo ubuso uthi kanjani uma ngabe isase ne-first line-up inconsistent whereby ungazi ukuthi ubani ozombona ubani ongeke uzumbone, knowing very well ukuthi into ekwinisa i-league it consistency of your first line-up.
Mina ngakusho into engenza ngifall in love no coach wePirates is that's the first thing. He's so unpredictable. When it depth Orlando Pirates yavuma. iyamvumela ukuthi enze lento ayenzayo. Everyone osuka kwibench Orlando Pirates, he performs. 90% of the times they perform. Bench Orlando Pirates, it allows that to happen. It's not like the other teams. The time, the bench and everything, it allows him. I'll give you an example. Tito wasn't playing for a long time. But you've seen Tito when he got a chance. He performed. Mlilo. And I was so impressed. But the only thing that let Tito down was Namtajela. Namtajela man was that guy that was letting Tito down. But most people, they couldn't spot that. Because now Tito has to drop and collect the ball. Because Namtajela manje no Makaula angithi bawayothuba ngama defensive midfield. Tito was playing 8 that time, right? Was playing 8 or 10 because there's Rele with 10. So Tito now has to drop, Rele has to drop. Then it takes time for them to go forward. Then Coach Orlando Pirates, he thinks that no, Tito can't perform. Tito is not performing. But that was not the problem. The problem is Namtajela. So hence I'm saying, and you remember last time Pirates was playing with Sundowns. You've seen a new guy, Danson. What Danson did? Everybody was complaining, who's this guy? Who's this guy? Danson played very well. Besides the goal of the season that he scored. Let me repeat. Besides that goal of the season that he scored, his game was so brilliant.
But do you understand that the two games in hand abawubhubhudlile? One of reasons why bewubhubhudlile is because of this inconsistent lineup, because ugcina ungazi ukuthi which one is a winning team. Ibapho kwazi ukubheja ngabo. Masikhuluma nge-league, we're speaking of a marathon, you know. May is always too far. So uma ngabe i-team ingayazi la i-first lineup yayo kwi-league kuba nzima ukuthi i-survive. So awucabanga ukuthi sisazoyibona into enjengale whereby ama-game a-crucial njenganalawa abababhubhudlile bephinde bewabhubhudla futhi due to the inconsistency that they have.
Even if they were to be consistent, those things would happen. Unfortunate circumstances, they happen in football. Injuries, you'll find out some players off form. Remember one thing. Before a game a day before, 2 days, there are discussions that are happening to analyze certain players, Jimmy, So due to those things, maybe there are elements that they see that, maybe this player can't perform in the next game, you know. Hence we see those changes, you know. I'll give an example. Yeah, but some circumstances they are coming from the coach. I'm a mistake to coach. Some circumstances they are coming from a mistake from players. As I've mentioned that the coach when they put out the problem is Tito. Hence I'm dropping. Engayibona ukuthi i-problem kuNamtajela. Uthi mayibona but Tito angambuyisela. Waqhubeka nabanye abadlali. Okay, that's fine. Orlando Pirates in depth which allows them to perform nangayiphi indlela. Sikubonile kuSoweto Derby usaye changed him, you know. Uyayibona ngisho. So I Orlando Pirates them changing a team and whatsoever. Me I don't see it as a negative factor, you know. Yeah, football changes, you know. Look at the teams like Manchester City, Arsenal and all that stuff. They change players all the time.
All the time.
They make mistakes all the time, you know. But from those mistakes they learn. That's Orlando Pirates coach. He learns from those mistakes. Hence you'll find out he doesn't repeat the same mistake 2 games. He makes a mistake now. The second game you'll see change. Even the attitude of the players, the hunger, the position and everything, you know.
Well, shout out to the coach. That is Coach Abdeslam Uwadu, Orlando Pirates.
Shout out to that man.
Nje wonke umuntu uthi hayi. Sobona umehluko, sobona ushintsho. Siyaqala ukubona iSundowns iphefumula kanzima kangaka this season. Kwawini la sigcine khona ukubona into efana nalena. Well, that is how we're wrapping things la studio. With the Network Sports Avenue. My name is Sithokozisa Ntshangase. Uyena ke ubhungane loyo uMkhulukhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu ngesikhathi sakho. Ngela sininga khohlwa ukuthi lisilandele lapha kuma socials wethu iDurban Network ku TikTok, ku Facebook kanjalo ke na ku YouTube. Till next time.